What's going on, you guys? Just from McKinney Designs. Today's episode, a little bit of a vlogging one, we've got a little bit of a mix, is more off-roading. We're going to be going on an adventure today, me and my little cameraman. We're meeting a good buddy of mine, and he's going to take us over some tracks, sort of Devices way. We're going to have a look at some of the tracks out there, and I'm going to take you guys along with me, show you guys what it's like. And hopefully there's going to be some hairy stuff. He has said there is some crazy tracks out there, some of them which are closed, that might be closed due to the rain. And we had quite a bit of rain last night, about 4.5 hours, 5 hours of rain. So I think we're going to have quite a lot of water, surface water, out on the tracks. So which is going to be pretty fun. We're going to get really dirty today, but that's what it's all about. So let's get into it. It's been a good day so far. Met up with Stu in Swindon, well actually Devices, and we've hit some amazing tracks. We've got the drone up, show you all the different angles, but you should see the actual footage of the scenery behind me. It is pretty windy today, so we have struggled with the drone slightly. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I'll just edit the audio in edit. But it's absolutely amazing. So far we've hit some really good tracks, some stuff that most beginners can tackle. And there's been a couple of windy ones. We're actually going to jump in Stu's truck. We're going to go up that one, hit, I think there's a bog hole and bits and pieces. Right now my truck is not really set up for that kind of stuff. So we're going to park my truck up. And we're going to jump in Stu's and we're going to hit the tracks that way. I think that's probably the safest option because the actual width of my truck is stupidly wide. It's not the best thing, especially if you want to do byways and green laning and off-roading here in the UK, because the tracks are pretty tight, as you can see there. Stu's set up and his cruiser is pretty decent, but definitely going to need to look at changing my wheels, especially if I'm going to be off-roading a lot more. So but yeah guys, what we're going to do is probably head up that way, up those tracks, see how that looks with the trucks, and then we're going to turn around, head back, park up mine, and then we're going to hit the gnarly stuff with Stu's truck, and let's see if we can do some good stuff, man. we're doing some crazy tracks. The amount of water through here is ridiculous. I'm just trying to get some angles here. Stuart's 80 series is about to cruise through this. He's going to make this look super easy. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys. Got a bit of a technical section here of Stu in his 80 series. He's not only got a nice water hole to contend with, but he's got to do it on a corner and then up the hill. So let's get straight into this. Let's see the action. I better go grab Stu's water. He needs us for these. Oh, he needs that. That backdrop on that. I have definitely got fallen in here for that. Yeah. Boom. There's no messing with this 80 series. I'll say that again. Boom. Job done. What a day, guys. Absolutely epic. We've been operating, we've been four-wheel driving in the sort of top end of Wiltshire. Really beautiful scenery and countryside, absolutely spectacular to say the least. Some of the lanes were really hairy to say, but it was good fun. Overall, amazing fun. What I need to look at, especially with my Ranger, is the overall width of the truck, especially with the footprint of the tyres. I'm quite on the wide side of things, so I really need to pay attention to that and have a look at that on a sort of serious note if I want to do more four-wheel driving. I mean, Stuart's 80 series put things in a different perspective in terms of getting lockers, overall suspension, and the capabilities of that 80 series Land Cruiser is unbelievable compared to the Ranger. If you like this kind of content, let us know. Hit the comments down below with that like button. We really appreciate it. We're going to be doing some more start videos, looking for some more tracks, looking for some more crazy hair-raising moments. Hopefully getting camping out in the UK. As you might be aware, that the UK is quite limited to the amount of four-wheel driving you can get, so you've got to do a lot of searching, a lot of hunting around for tracks, but we want to hopefully bring that straight to you guys and show you where to go and give you guys the best of the UK, especially with the scenery and the culture and everything you have surrounding you. So as you can hear, there's loads of vehicles in the distance. I'm just about to go and wash this bad boy down. So hopefully you guys liked it. Hit that subscribe button and see you guys in the next one.